Did you know that perimenopause can make you hate literally every sound? Like, the neighbor's dog barking used to be background noise. Now it's personal warfare. The refrigerator humming suddenly sounds like a jet engine in your kitchen. Your family having a normal conversation feels like aggressive chaos aimed directly at your soul. And don't even get me started on chewing sounds. The sound of someone eating cereal might actually make you leave the room. The dishwasher beeping feels like it's personally attacking you. Traffic sounds are penetrating walls like never before. Even your own breathing sometimes feels too loud. Suddenly, you're that person shushing everyone. And you're confused because when did this happen? But here's the thing. Your nervous system isn't broken. It's becoming more protective, more selective about what deserves your attention. You're not losing your mind. You're not being dramatic. You're just becoming someone who doesn't tolerate unnecessary noise anymore. Honestly, that sounds like growth to me.